Good afternoon, viewers. Today I'm going to take you through Introduction to Excel, where we are going to learn about our anatomy of Excel, how to use Excel, what is within Excel, what to use when you want to organize or operate your data using Excel. So what is Excel? Excel is a computer program or a spreadsheet organized by or developed by the Microsoft to analyze and visualize your data, a user's data. So how do we find this Excel on a computer? Me, I have it already here, but you can come here on search, and then you can come here on the start button and you search for it. Yes, you can see that you can search using here, but they're here as well. Me, I have it here already, so I'm just going to click on it. As it opens up, it's going to bring you these templates we are seeing. These templates, so these are depending on your choices, but for us we are going to pick a blank workbook for our organization and learning. So here, this is a workbook, which is a spreadsheet. Yes, so within these spreadsheets we have columns. The columns are donated by letters. These letters A, B, C, D up to X, depending on how long your workbook is. Then they are made up of rows. The rows are made of these numbers. Yes, they are donated by these numbers. So in between a row and a column, there is a cell. So a cell is found between a row and column. And how do you read a cell? Where you have clicked on, that is an active cell. An active cell is read with a reference of the column and then the rows. So like here, for example, this is C4. And how do you know this is C4? It's written always at the upper space here. You can see it. Each cell you clicked on pops up there. So we also have a group of cell. How do you know this is a group of cell? Let me first highlight, like here. This is a group of cell. A group of cell is known as a range. So here, this is a range, and it's here indicated E4, which is a range. So here we have the formula bar, which is here. For example, you want to write any formula, it's going to pop up in your formula bar, as you can see. Yes, then we have a provision where you can add on row sheets by just a mere click on it. You click on it and automatically your sheets will be added. And then we have this. So we were here on the layout. These are called layouts. So in these layouts, they are having tools which you can use to operate your workbook. So these layouts are having ribbons. The tools here are called ribbons, and ribbons are grouped in different types: the front, the lines, the styles, where you can number from, where you can edit from. Yes, the page layout, where you can insert from, where you can review or view your work. Basically, these are anatomy of a spreadsheet, and a collection of spreadsheets is called a workbook. So here we have the scroll bar. This scroll bar helps you to go down and up, maybe looking for your work within the workspace. You scroll bar, and then we have the zoom button where you can click it and you zoom in your workspace, or you zoom out depending on the size you want. Then we have the sizes here, the page layout, which can be normal, and as I said, this is where you add your spreadsheet from. You can click on it and it automatically brings for you new sheets. For you to go back to your sheets where you've been working from, you come back and just click on it and it will appear automatically. Basically, this is anatomy of a spreadsheet, and this is what you can do as a beginner. So this is what is going to help us work within a workbook or spreadsheet or create data. So after all this, you can come here. This is the undo button. You can come here, and if you want to save your work, you come here and you press, then save as computer, you click, then you come and name your document workbook 1 depending on your interest, workbook 1, or you can clear it and then you save. Let's put my name, Laura Docs. Save as Excel workbook, yes. Then you come and click save, and your work has been saved automatically. You can see here the name we have saved from. So if you want to undo it, you just come here and you click. You've undone your work. Thank you for watching as you wait for the next video that we are going to learn how to use the Excel.